Hey guys, hope everybody's having a fantastic day today. Whether you're watching this in the morning, in the afternoon, or in the evening, I'm glad you're here. If you're so inclined and you get just a second, please hit that subscribe button down below. If you hit the bell notification icon right next to it with the subscribe button, it'll notify you when I release new videos. It'll let YouTube know that you're somebody who's not a bot, who's interested in EDC content, and let you know when I go live and release videos like this one here that'll go out after we do the unboxing, and I'd really appreciate it. But we'll get through that. And today what I'm going to bring you guys is an unboxing from our friends at White Mountain Knives Company. And the unboxing knife will be the Tactile Turn Knife Company Rockwall. This is going to be a box in a box in a bag. You know I struggle with these boxes in a bag. All right. Get the peanuts out of the way. We've got a MAXACE today, guys. I've always been a big fan of MAXACE knives. I've got the Babylon that I absolutely love. Just a great knife. I love the black mirror. I love the way they package these guys. And I forgot I need to open this. MAXACE Knives does a really good job with their packaging, with what they've got. Little MAXACE card here, a little cleaning cloth, and the nav. So guys, this is a carbon fiber S90V, I believe. Get that out of the way. MAXACE Beetle. It's got several stops. Hear those stops along the way? 1, 2, 3, 4. But it is, what attracted me to this knife were a couple of things. I love the look at it. This M390, not S90V, guys. I apologize. I love the materials, which are this raindrop carbon fiber, titanium backspacer, or titanium bolsters and titanium liners with a steel backspacer. It is dirty. And it is a slip joint. But what really attracted me to this knife was not the build, was not the unique ratcheting, to quote Jared Neves, way that the blade opens, because it will go to half stop. Very safe blade. But besides the look, what really attracted me to this knife was the fact that it was a MAXACE. It's a full-size knife, medium to full-size knife. You can see there in my hand, I've got a full 4-finger grip on it with room to spare. I've got a fantastic sharpening choil, done very well down here on the corner. I've got a really nice satin grind, machine satin I'm assuming, but just a really nice grind on that blade. And then let's talk about this blade. Again, this is the BEETLE-S by MAXACE. But guys, look how thin that blade is. I mean, it is paper thin. Speaking of paper, let me grab some paper. unfortunately I don't have my coupon book, but I do have some Smoky Mountain Knife Company from yesterday offer on these exclusive coins. But guys, the geometry, the thickness of this blade, we'll measure it here in a second, make this a very, very slicey knife. I'm going to venture to say probably when all said and done, it'll be the sliciest knife, even slicier than some of my TRMs, and that's just on the blade stock and the blade geometry. Done so well. So thin, so minimal. I mean, it's an absolute pleasure to cut. But MAXACE, in my experience with the other knives that I have, really are classy in their branding. This simply has BEETLE-S on the blade, Bowler M390, nothing on the show side except the single nick. So it does have a nick. It does have this jimping up here on the blade. It's actually got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 jimps, which do feel good on your hand. And then again, it's got this ratchet, for lack of a better term, feeling on the close and on the open. So guys, that is the MAXACE Beetle. I am stoked. I'm going to measure it for you. We'll get a couple of quick size comparisons, then we'll measure the thickness of the handle and the thickness of the blade. Because I have a feeling this is probably going to be one of my larger slip joints. Probably not larger than the Boker Trapper. Almost as long as the Boker Trapper, and of course a lot taller blade, a lot thicker blade. Let's see, I'm sure it'll be longer than the Hippo Toe. Two of my larger slip joints. But yeah, I'm going to say the BEETLE-S is going to do a fine job of holding kind of that top position. But let's get a couple of measurements using Ben Peterson's NAFCO ruler, the titanium ruler that I have a hard time reading. Let's see what we can do here. On our blade, we're at 3 1/4 inches. Our handle is at 4 1/4, so that's 7 1/2 inches overall. Come here. Check out Grateful Panic's little what does that say? 0.150, 0.0150 blade thickness. Yeah, that's very thin. And then our handle, because it is a pretty right at 0.51. 0.51 and 0.015 on the blade stock, guys. That is what I would consider the thinnest blade in my collection. One of the main reasons I wanted to try out the Black Mira, I'm curious. Fits in my traditional leather slip just fine. Does come with the lanyard hole right here for the lanyard lovers that goes right through the spring, or through the spring, through the liners, and through the G10. So you can put a nice lanyard on there to make it easier to pull out of your pocket. But guys, again, I am loving, and I hate to say that, but I am loving the slip joint game. I am really enjoying the way that they feel. Today I carried in my other pocket my little Kivas Vanish. Just a great little knife. And I really like the MAXACE BEETLE-S. And guys, it feels really good in hand. I think it's going to make for a fantastic EDC slicer. I love the look of it. I love the weight of it. Feels very, very stable in the hand. I love the materials. It's done very, very well. And I'm just a big fan, guys. Appreciate you stopping by, as always, anytime you stop by the channel. By the way, T8, 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 T8. And we wouldn't want to take those off because it's a slip joint that's tensioned by a spring. But thank you so much for coming out. Please look out for the guy or gal to your left. Please look out for the guy or gal to your right. Please hit the subscribe button and the like button and a thumbs up or thumbs down if you're so inclined. Again, it helps with the algorithm allegedly, helps more people discover my content, and hopefully engages you more with the channel where you'll come back. So I appreciate it, guys. Move forward with love in your heart. Choose debate before hate. I love you all. Peace.